Hello, I'm Puzhong Wang, Senior Vice President of Meituan. First of all, I would like to thank the Franz Edelman Award for giving Meituan Waimai this opportunity to present to the world our development in instant logistics. Now I would like to brief you on our company. Meituan is a tech-driven retail company established in 2010. Over the past 13 years, Meituan has evolved along with China's economic growth. We closely follow the trendy fields of urbanization, tertiary or service and mobile internet. With retail plus technology strategies, we have advanced the digital upgrading of services and goods retailing for both supply and demand sides. Meituan Waimai was officially launched in November 2013. Our corporate mission is to help people eat better and live better. From the early days, we focused on consumers' needs for food and gradually expanded to the needs of everything retail, covering flowers and cakes, electronic products, supermarkets, fruits and vegetables, medicine and other categories. While technology is used to connect consumers and merchants, we also have countless couriers for quality, delicate, and diversified instant retailing services through our online plus offline business model. With growing demand for instant retailing, customers now get used to the get-what-you-see lifestyle, bringing us new consumption scenarios. Meituan Waimai is committed to using digital technology in promoting the supply-side structural reform of the industry. We collaborate with merchants, users, and couriers throughout the industrial chain to deliver win-win outcomes. In this way, merchants seize fresh opportunities brought by new lifestyle. Consumers enjoy easier, more convenient, and efficient consumption experience. And couriers get a rewarding income and fair job opportunities, ushering in a brand new chapter for the industry with digital vitality. In 2022, a total of 6.24 million couriers earned income via Meituan, with more than 1 million daily active couriers. The number of daily orders has exceeded 60 million, with a wide coverage of nearly 3,000 cities, counties, districts, and banners across China.
Hello everyone, I am Wei Wei, General Manager of Meituan Delivery. In the previous section, Senior VP Puzhong has briefed you on our development. Next, I would like to share with you how we have built the nationwide instant dispatching network. The technological development and lifestyle can promote each other and drive the progress of the era in mutual influence. In recent years, we witness growing instant delivery demand from fresh food, e-commerce, Superstore O2O, near-site retail, and door-to-door delivery platforms, with online retail shaping a new era of delivering everything to home. Instant delivery and logistics are now applied in more diverse scenarios, and has become the very basic and essential capability for local life service platforms to be an indispensable part of urban and convenient living. Unlike traditional logistics with pre-planned decisions, instant delivery has to respond and decide within minutes.
When facing tens of millions of orders, how to respond within seconds and deliver at a minute level has always been a challenge.
Therefore, how to better optimize the dispatching system has been the key focus of our efforts. A good minute-level delivery network must be open, inclusive, and readily accessible, with opportunities nurtured by the everything-to-home model. Meituan's instant logistics platform, Meituan Delivery, keeps scaling up investment to improve efficiency, expand scale, and more categories, and serve all the merchants and users in need. With over 10,000 delivery stations, we have established the densest and most extensive instant delivery network in China. It is interconnected with every aspect of a city to deliver goods and services in the last 3 kilometers. The intelligent dispatching system, by matching tens of thousands of orders with couriers, enables timely delivery, meets diversified needs of merchants and consumers to ensure everything delivered without leaving home. Today, Meituan Delivery has gradually established a dispatching system adaptable to various scenarios. For merchants with different sizes and in different sectors, we provide customized logistics solutions and all-round efficient delivery services. We provide better experiences for users, merchants, and couriers by reducing logistics costs and facilitating the healthy development of the industry.
Hi, I'm Zhao Su, CTO of Meituan Waimai. I will introduce to you the core value of our intelligent dispatching system in delivery services. While upstream orders vary in terms of the required delivery time, there are also different types of downstream couriers. Our intelligent dispatching, by matching these two ends, aims to provide the optimal solution. In this matching process, we take into account the demands of users, merchants, and delivery couriers. With continuous efforts to improve couriers' income, experience, and efficiency, we also ensure on-time and fast delivery for users. Our current network is capable of delivering 60 million orders per day with minute-level delivery. Our intelligent dispatching system determines the resource allocation method and is the core factor affecting the operational efficiency of such a large-scale delivery network. Meanwhile, with the rapidly growing instant retailing in China and around the world, we deliver not only food and beverages, but also fresh fruit and vegetables, flowers and green plants, electronic products, and so on. The serving time and delivery methods of different products bring about complex constraints to modeling and puts forward higher requirements on the algorithm to provide optimal solutions. Intelligent dispatching is the cornerstone for realizing our Everything Now vision, which supports the minute-level delivery of 100 million orders per day for delivering everything to home in the future. Since intelligent dispatching is of great importance to instant delivery network, we have built a multidisciplinary R&D team with hundreds of talents, including scientists in operations and research and deep learning, engineers and architects for high performance and heterogeneous computing, as well as machine learning platform. After 6 to 7 years of effort, we have created an industry-leading intelligent dispatching system, which has significantly improved the efficiency and experience of our instant delivery network. Compared to 6 years ago, the average daily order number for full-time carriers is up by 109%. Couriers now enjoy well-planned routes with the average delivery distance per order cut by 23% at around 500 meters, and the average delivery time for consumers down by 20%. Therefore, we have achieved win-win outcomes by helping couriers earn more and providing consumers with better delivery services.
Hello everyone, I am the Technical Chief of Meituan Delivery,
Ran Qinghe.
Next, I will share with you the problems and challenges that our dispatching system is facing. China has one of the world's largest food delivery markets, and Meituan is a good representative of Chinese food delivery enterprises. So we inevitably face the largest operations research challenge in the field of instant logistics, mainly in 2 areas. First, the near real-time assignment challenge for tens of thousands of orders. The order assignment problem in the instant delivery scenario is an NP-hard problem with a theoretical solution space of M to N to K, where M is the number of carriers, N is the number of orders, and K is the number of on-hand orders for a single courier. We need to solve it in real time. That is, to provide the optimal solution in 10 seconds. China has the world's largest food delivery market. Order density is extremely high during peak hours, especially in megacities. For example, in Beijing during peak time, for Meituan Waimai, the orders to be assigned every minute amount to 10,000, and the number of available couriers exceeds 50,000. Meanwhile, in practice, there are usually more than 6 on-hand orders for skilled couriers. Compared with domestic and foreign counterparts, the scale numbers of our scenario are several times or even an order of magnitude higher. At the same time, to pursue the best assignment quality, we didn't divide the city into small business districts to reduce computational complexity. Instead, we execute a technical roadmap of citywide integrated computation and solution. Namely, we need to solve the NP-hard problem of matching tens of thousands of orders with couriers within seconds, which is of great technical challenge. Second, permanent and reliable service commitment under extreme uncertainties. There are various and inevitable uncertainties during the delivery process. Take the meal serving time as an example. Chinese food is rich in categories and complicated in cooking procedures. The serving time of different dishes varies from each other. Additionally, the order density for a single restaurant can be relatively high, with both dine-in and take-out services, which results in highly uncertain meal serving time. What's more, uncertainties exist not only in the meal serving and pickup period, but also in the distribution and delivery periods. The courier's workload and bad weather might further intensify the uncertainties of couriers' behaviors. However, in China, our consumers usually have extremely strict requirements on the punctuality of food delivery. Basically, the on-time rate of Meituan Waimai reaches 98% on average. Therefore, in the face of the strict constraints of punctuality, how to cope with this complex, uncertain problem by algorithm design is another technological challenge for our dispatching system. To address the above-mentioned challenges, on one hand, in engineering, we employ storage and computing integration and heterogeneous computing architectures to narrow the arithmetic power gap. On the other hand, in algorithms, we used advanced techniques such as deep learning, reinforcement learning, and robust optimization to continuously improve the overall solution quality. In this way, we have created a new generation of intelligent dispatching system, realizing near real-time, high-quality matching of tens of thousands of orders within seconds, delivering positive outcomes in real practice.
Hi, I'm Jinghua Hao, head of algorithm group at Meituan Delivery. In the past few years, our dispatch system mainly evolved through 4 phases. At the very beginning, the orders were assigned by courier grabbing or dispatcher's manual allocation. It costed lots of labor and suffered poor solution quality. In 2016, the system enabled automatic assignment in a graded one-by-one manner, but it soon encountered service quality degradation and unacceptable computation time as the rapid growth of the order volume. To get better solution, in 2017, the system started area-level batch assignment based on simple constructive heuristic methods, which successfully met the real-time requirements, however, failed to approach the good enough solution as the daily order volume kept increasing. Since 2018, the system evolved into the latest phase. It realized citywide global order assignment via operations research and machine learning techniques. During the process, our R&D group grew into a team with over 40 engineers. They overcame a series of obstacles and came up with a series of innovative methods to improve the efficiency of the delivery system.
Hi, I'm Xuetao Ding, Principal Algorithm Expert at Meituan Delivery. Modeling and solving the above multi-period, multi-objective decision problem in an online fashion is no easy task. There are many specific technological challenges we encounter. Dynamic and sequential decision process. At each dispatch time, the system collects all newly arrived orders and available couriers, then decides the best matching of the orders and couriers to achieve optimal objectives. Since the decisions of the current timestamp will affect the future stamps, it is necessary to consider the influence of future information and decisions to avoid greedy decisions and achieve long-term global optimum. However, it is challenging to predict or simulate the actual influence of the current decisions on future courier status and dispatch decisions. On one hand, the exact distributions of newly appeared orders and courier status in the future are usually stochastic. On the other hand, the behaviors of the couriers and the real-world environment are full of uncertainties, which further complex the problem. Multi-objective balance. As described above, order assignment should balance the various goals of different stakeholders. Consumers want to get their food on time and intact. Merchants hope their food is served fresh to satisfy their consumers. Couriers need to deliver enough orders with less labor. The platform pushes to operate the service efficiently. These dispatch objectives should be precisely modeled in the matching degree scores between the orders and the couriers, and calculated in the dispatch procedure. Meanwhile, trade-offs should be carefully made among them to achieve long-term optimality of the whole system and all of the stakeholders. Full of uncertainties. Uncertainty is an inevitable and inherent characteristic of the food delivery process. Unexpected cases, such as traffic jams, extended food preparation time, and couriers' personal preferences, will greatly affect couriers' behaviors and the service quality of the related on-hand orders. However, these uncertainties can neither be eliminated nor accurately sensed by the system. Moreover, the lack of adequate real-time monitoring of couriers and machine status will further intensify the uncertainties. Therefore, it is impossible for the system to make highly accurate point estimations of couriers' behaviors. Modeling the matching degree score and then making dispatch decisions based on it will weaken the effectiveness of the decision, thereby damaging the experience of consumers, couriers, and machines. Solving large-scale NP-hard integer programming in real time. For each dispatch period, the many-to-one assignment problem is NP-hard, which is even more challenging than the well-known ride-hailing problem. Our couriers can be simultaneously assigned multiple orders, sometimes exceeding 5 during peak time. For example, the number of decision variables for a one-to-one assignment problem with n assignment objects is of the order of the second power of n, where the number of decision variables for a 5-to-1 assignment problem with n assignment objects is of the order of the sixth power of n. Hence, the scale of our problem is significantly larger than the one-to-one assignment problem in ride-hailing. Furthermore, the matching degree scores between the couriers and orders are non-additive. The matching degree score of assigning several orders simultaneously to a courier is not equal to the sum of the matching degree scores of assigning the orders separately to the same courier. However, computing the matching degree scores of arbitrary order combinations and the couriers to model the assignment problem is unrealistic, especially in a real-time manner, which further brings severe challenges to algorithm design. To maintain solution effectiveness, we must solve the problem in under 10 seconds, ensuring courier status consistency throughout the information acquisition and the assignment generation phase. This time constraint is unique in on-demand delivery and much shorter than traditional supply chain optimization problems, which typically have hour-level time limits.
Hi, I'm Yiler Liang, Senior Algorithm Expert at Meituan Delivery. To address these challenges, the dispatch system decomposes the original problem into a series of single-period, single-objective deterministic problems that can be solved independently at each dispatch time by using effective algorithms based on both operations research and machine learning techniques. At each dispatch time, the algorithm runs as follows. First, in the courier behavior estimation stage, the system focuses on the modeling and the solution of the route planning problems for each courier, supposing delivery each new order. Its task is to continuously improve the consistency rate between the planning routes and the real ones in the uncertain environment, and provides a reliable and accurate evaluation basis for the next evaluation stage. Second, in the Courier candidate evaluation stage, on one hand, the system adopts a dynamic weight adaptation mechanism, realizing the temporal decomposition and multi-objective integration, which can guide the system states gradually evolving to an acceptable long-term balance among different objectives. On the other hand, the system also develops a robust and adaptive matching score calculation method to resolve uncertainties in the delivery process. Hence, it transforms the order assignment problem at each dispatch time into a single objective and deterministic one. Finally, in the order assignment stage, the system upgrades the algorithm to continuously improve the solution quality and computational efficiency. However, due to the inherent nature of our problem, we cannot compute the matching degree scores between arbitrary order combinations and couriers at the evaluation stage. Therefore, at each iteration of the assignment stage, the courier behavior estimation and the candidate evaluation are only executed for some promising order combinations, which are determined by the searching mechanism of the assignment algorithm. Next, let me highlight some of the key ideas and solutions of our work. In Courier behavior estimation stage, we are facing a pickup and delivery route planning problem that needs to be solved with high quality in milliseconds, which is requested at most 48.3 million times per minute during a single dispatch process. The planning algorithm is basically a two-stage heuristic search, but effectively takes advantage of domain-refined heuristic operators. These operators ensure highest quality solutions as well as computational efficiency. Given a specific objective function for the search, over 97% cases in our online system can reach the global optima of the problem within 10 milliseconds. Meanwhile, an inverse reinforcement learning method is used to learn the courier preferred objective function for route planning from their real historical delivery routes. This tackles the challenge of objective function design in a data-driven way. Now, we can successfully achieve an over 75% node consistency rate between the planning routes and the courier's real ones. In the Courier candidate evaluation stage, a target-oriented, multi-objective balance framework, which combines offline planning and online decision, is implemented to adapt the weights of different objectives to the online dispatch process. Its task is to guide the system states, converging to a long-term near-optimal solution, which is a point on the Pareto frontier closest to a long-term ideal status. To achieve this, first, during the offline planning phase, we obtain the ideal point from learning and refining the historical operational data. It represents a desired or highly acceptable value of each objective we seek for long term, and is served as evolving targets of the system during the dispatch process. Then, during the online decision phase, at each dispatch time, the weight of each objective is adjusted based on the gap between the objective's current value and the corresponding target, aiming at guiding the system states, finally converging to a solution nearest to the target. Therefore, with the above mechanism, the original assignment problem can be decomposed independent single-period ones. Moreover, to improve system robustness for inevitable uncertainties, risk-averse decision techniques are introduced in the evaluation stage. We use the tool of a conditional value at risk in matching degree score design, and consider the courier's matching degree under both high risk and average states. To fulfill the score calculation, there are two major difficulties we should deal with. On one hand, since the evaluation stage needs to be done within milliseconds, in scenario generation, we adopt an online layered sampling method to reduce computation complexity as well as guarantee the accuracy of the tail risk. On the other hand, in practice, the system may have different risk preference for uncertainties in different operational scenarios. Then, the idea of Bayesian optimization is introduced to adapt the risk preference factor alpha to real operational scenarios according to the feedback of the near real-time performance. This method can obtain the desired factor value with minimum trial and error cost and ensure the stability and the decision feasibility of the dispatch system. In order assignment stage, a divide and conquer framework is developed to solve the many-to-one assignment problem at each dispatch time. This framework decomposes the original problem into a series of one-to-one subproblems, resulting in a progressive online solution procedure. Only a part of the orders is assigned to the couriers at each iteration, and the iteration process ends when all the orders are assigned. This mechanism greatly reduces the calculation volume of the estimation and the evaluation stage, which is a polynomial or even linear related to the order scale. And since the subproblem at each iteration scales down a lot, it can be solved quite easily by traditional OR methods like the KM algorithm or branch and bound algorithm. Then how to select the orders to be assigned at each iteration is crucial to the solution quality. Therefore, we introduce a global coordinator to guide the solution in real time, which needs both offline and online works. During the offline training phase, we first improve the traditional taboo search algorithm and use it to provide high-quality assignment solutions. Then, an imitation learning method is developed to train the coordinator with the taboo search solutions as its labels. The coordinator can generate the optimal matching probability of arbitrary orders and their available couriers. During the online phase, the orders to be assigned at each iteration are chosen by online inferencing the coordinator. That is, orders have higher optimal matching probabilities with their current available couriers at each iteration are more likely to be assigned. Since the coordinator is learned from high-quality solutions, it can introduce global information and effectively help avoid local greed online. The proposed algorithm significantly improved the assignment quality by optimizing the objective values by 5 to 10% compared with our original methods. And with the growth of the orders, the improvement is even higher. Furthermore, in order to reduce the iteration rounds of the algorithm and improve the computational efficiency without sacrificing solution quality, it is necessary to construct an efficient online order combination mechanism, making the subproblem at each iteration generate many-to-one assignments. Therefore, we develop a GNN-based framework by directly learning knowledge from experienced couriers to guide the online order combination. Firstly, we group orders with the same region and destination as a flow. Following the experience from couriers, we pre-process the delivery order sequence from selected experienced couriers as independent delivery sessions and convert each session into a flow session. When regarding flow as a node and nearby relation in the sequence as a link, we can merge these flow sessions into a union graph as a delivery network. Moreover, each flow node also owns fruitful attributes to describe its crucial characters. For example, the delivery distance between a region and a destination, and the average delivery time in the past 30 days. With a flow-based delivery network as input, we apply graph representation learning methods to extract specific patterns from it. We aim to learn the vector representation of the flow node, which contains the attributes and the topology information of it in the graph after training. After obtaining the vector representation of the flow node, we define a similarity-based mechanism to combine the orders together. Basically, we use the dot product results of vector repetitions of two flow nodes as a similarity metric of a combination. Orders in similar flow nodes with large dot product results can be regarded as a group to participate in the assignment problem. We use this similarity metric to cluster the historical orders into communities and validate the clustering results by humans in various cases. A/B tests are conducted to verify the effectiveness of all of our work. And the engine of the dispatch system is a complex distributed service cluster, which contains thousands of heterogeneous nodes with CPUs and GPUs to support the system decision.
However, with the application of well-developed techniques and data-driven methods, the decision rules of the dispatch system becomes kind of a black box and increasingly difficult for us to explain the results to our customers and couriers. That requires our fellow staff for RD, products, and operations to work together to communicate the scientific and reasonable results of the order allocation to the couriers. In the past few years, we have built several feedback channels for couriers and information collection windows in apps, and make improvements to the system. Furthermore, we hold several couriers talks every year to understand their difficulties in their work and help our R&D team to improve our work better. In addition, we have built information nodes in the scheduling system, known as beacon towers, to accurately visualize couriers' matching degrees and execution rules for each order, so as to help site managers and couriers understand the logic of the system. The Meituan real-time intelligent scheduling system is never a solo song of advanced technology, but a scientific and humanized decision-making system that is created on the basis of the cooperation between our fellow staff for RD, products, operations, and couriers themselves, and it extensively connects technology, business, and actual environment.
Hello, I'm Li Mingming, a fifth-year Meituan courier. Over the past 5 years, I have witnessed firsthand Meituan's efforts to optimize its dispatching system, which is of great help to us. The application provides us with writing route planning and suggestions to deliver orders more efficiently. Meituan also has an order transfer mechanism, allowing us to transfer orders to other couriers when we encounter problems with our vehicles. Meituan Waimai has brought us a wider service coverage. In the traditional dining-in times, we only cover consumers within a radius of 500 meters, which has been expanded to 3 kilometers upon joining Meituan to greatly diversify our income sources. On the other hand, for example, during the pandemic outbreak, we gained continuous turnover mainly from online taking out orders, and it maintained the restaurants in a stable operation. I'm a veteran user of food delivery apps. In addition to 3 meals, I also order afternoon tea and late-night snacks very often because it's really convenient. The cashier page briefs users on expected delivery time, so we can better predict. For instance, I can calculate the time when leaving work to make sure that the food comes upon my arrival at home. I also appreciate that Meituan is optimizing its user experience. Now we can order flowers, cakes, and even other items with professional services provided by couriers. We also listen attentively to our couriers to optimize products. Over the past years, we have kept channels open to hear from our couriers and optimize our products. For example, our Product Experience Officers from Couriers program invites couriers to test new features and services to be launched for their feedback. In addition, we also regularly hold couriers meetings to have face-to-face exchanges and more in-depth understanding of the acute bottlenecks they face, so as to help our colleagues in R&D and product departments during optimization. By 2022, we have altogether held such meetings for nearly 200 times.
We not only care about the present of our couriers, but also their future. At Meituan, we work with the whole society to provide couriers with better career guarantee and job opportunities. In November 2020, we rolled out the Tongzhou Career Benefit Project to provide our couriers better career guarantee, working experience, career path, and living standard. With our station manager training program, job position transfer program, e-learning platform, and development incentive award, we have paved a life cycle and multi-level career path for our couriers. We also join hands with the Open University of China to provide full scholarships for 189 courier trainees in pursuing further education. In addition, we also have the Baby Kangaroo Charity Project for children of our couriers. With help from the society as a whole, we aim to support all active couriers from Meituan and other delivery platforms when their children suffer from serious diseases or accidents. By the end of October 2022, the project has supported 506 children of couriers from 11 delivery platforms, including Meituan, Edelman, Shansong, Dada, KFC, and Freshippo. In 2020, the COVID-19 outbreak has brought huge impact on the global socioeconomic development, and instant delivery has become an important channel to ensure people's livelihood. In the face of the pandemic, Meituan Waimai, an important e-commerce platform for life services, has shouldered its social responsibility and launched the contactless delivery model, allowing merchants who have suspended dine-in services to generate revenue from online orders for better resilience. We also deliver goods and medicines to consumers so that they can enjoy a better experience without leaving home. While taking steps forward, we also take a holistic approach to view the industry throughout its whole life cycle and across the value chain, so as to ensure sustainable development. In 2017, we launched the first environmental protection initiative in China's food delivery sector, Blue Mountain Project, to work with all parties in exploring the path to an eco-friendly transformation of the food delivery sector. Based on its vision of better life and beautiful nature, the Blue Mountain Project focuses on 4 areas of eco-friendly packaging: low-carbon ecology, green technologies, and public welfare to ensure service sector's green and low-carbon transition with the principle of joint contribution and shared benefits. As of October 2022, 920,000 Meituan merchants have launched small portion sets, and 1.91 million merchants have established their Blue Mountain record in Meituan. We have continued to diversify our eco-friendly functions to attract more users in protecting the environment. More than 280 million users have chosen the no disposable cutlery option while making orders, and over 5 billion orders have been part of charitable activities by donating to support eco-friendly projects. Looking ahead, Meituan Waimai will continue to fulfill its mission to help people eat better and live better. By taking the customer-centered approach, we will further our innovation and join hands with all partners. By creating positive values for our customers and the whole industry, we will endeavor to build a better-off society. To conclude, please again allow me to express my sincere gratitude to the Franz Edelman Award. Thank you.